Okay, here we are. Finally changing the oil. Got the got it draining. I'm just gonna let it sit there for a little bit. There it is. Last time I had issues getting it out. Let's see what happens this time. Time for new filter. And that one's I'm gonna attempt this guy again, but he did not work. So I brought this guy as well. Boom. Rotate. Alright, I need both hands for this, so. Alright. Filter is off. Let it drain. Let it clean up all the gunk and whatnot, and then coat the top of the new filter. And then put it on there. Do the same with the bolt. Over there. Double check everything and then we'll be done under here. Alright. So we've got our new hand filter. And our 5W30. Just put a little bit. Okay, there you go. Filter's installed. So I'm gonna clean up from under here. I did get a little bit of oil on the ground, but that's okay. Anyway, gonna clean up and start measuring and boring. Alright. Filling her up. Takes 7 quarts, so I'm just gonna measure the additional 2 in the empty bottle, and then fill it up that way. It'll be easier than holding on to everything up here. Okay, well these I can't even think straight when morons are thumping bass music as if everyone wants to hear it. And then this happens. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Good boy. Good boy.
Oh, here we are. Look. Testing the water pump and the water. Everything's good. Oil's good. Just wrapping some things up to prepare to most likely go somewhere tomorrow. It might be Monday morning, but I'm thinking it's going to be tomorrow. There's a couple options. One's north, one's south. The only minor setback is I'm not sure if the treatment plant where I dump my tanks is open tomorrow, because it will be Sunday. So that I don't know. But that's okay. I already have all the stuff bookmarked. The oil's changed. Actually, I was gonna go get a flashlight. I need to figure out which batteries need to be topped off. I'm only gonna be away for a few days, I'm thinking. Like 3-4 days, something like that. That's what I'm thinking. These socks keep falling. Or maybe more, I don't know. But I need some, I've been in civilization too long. Feeling a little bit better at this point today. Yeah. It's funny, that won't work. I remember getting, knocked on by the police in that parking lot. Man, I have so much footage to go through. Okay. Alright. Veggie burger. It's got beans and corn or something, it looks like. A couple pieces of toast with cheese. And actually going through some stuff in the fridge. Had to, forgot I had a part of an apple. Gotta do something with these avocados. But yeah, making my way through it. Still not eating the cuties as fast as I thought I could. Anyway, I'm gonna add some egg to my burger. And some pickles. And that'll be it. That'll be all. Probably should use the rest of the... There's not much left in here. Alright, I gotta pay attention to this because it's starting to smell. Alright. Alright. Doesn't look like much, but you know. Egg, veggie burger, pickles, cheese, toasty bun.